from Eindhoven, on my way to Amsterdam, living the moment. Railroad tracks to the DaVinci event. I said I'm gonna learn the powerful tricks from those who edit. Every minute of the day, my resolve is growing. Not DaVinci but Vinz, me knowledge overflowing. Networking, learning every minute's a win. Go to the heart of Amsterdam where new stories begin. Mr. Alex Tech showed us how to edit scenes, making videos with a seamless routine so clean. Darren Mostyn on color with aces in mind. Not on the top of my mind, but color redefined. Rep 709 represent. No more LUTs, this color's managed at this event. Autocorrect taken to the next level. No squiggly lines on the text, just colors that revel and matter. DaVinci Resolve, my favorite editor. Chilling during breaks, met some German film pros, swapping ideas, discussing the shows. Raffle time hits, prizes on display. Speed editor, come my eyes sleek in every way. Raffle excitement, prizes out of reach. Gotta save up some money so I can buy this beach. Post event at Tainaki Mass, time to unwind. Found a cozy spot, chicken katsu curry on my mind. Edamame beans, acai, brew flow, and chili cheesecake finale. Time to get going, reflecting on the day, every bite's a thrill. Japanese flavors at the windowsill. From training to station, back to train station. No longer a vacation but massive inspiration. This has been your friend Vinz, dealing massive damage. Keep creating, stay awesome, that's my adage.